amazing, it's great. There's a lot of food, and a lot of love, and a lot of happiness.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey guys, just got here. We at the beach, gonna have like a young family, friends and everything type of thingy bob. This is where I'll be spending my day. Have you enjoyed the festivities of the day? And like guys, this is the most amazing thing ever. As you can see behind me, hello, the ocean, and then bam, the desert. Like shoot, guys, I'm like a weakling. I'm really so cold, and everyone is just like shocked as to how cold I am. It really doesn't make sense how everyone is not cold and I'm cold. You know, like and the girls are sorting. Very cold, Shay. The girls are sorting themselves out. What are you drinking? You're not drinking Malibu anymore. Is that flying fish?
Yes, yes.
And Mana, what are you drinking?
You must sort yourself out, yeah?
Now get it later. Ladies, are we getting naked? Honey, honey, woo, woo, yes. My Namibians are saying it's not safe, so I can't do it. It's not me. Bye guys. See y'all later.
The lawyer that can lie, I sing.
Guys, I do lie a lot.
I always lie.
Good time to me, we'll burn this out. We'll play hide and seek and turn this around. All I want is the taste that your lips allow. My mind, give me love. My mind, give me love.
Wow.
Give me love like never before.
Wow.
Nah, she'll get it. Yes! Yeah! Yeah! are flexing. You guys are flexing. Let me also try. How do you even do it? That is me trying. Hey guys. Yo, today I am super cold. Like as you can see. But you get people here in shorts and shirts. Like you see there. I can't. I'm like freezing. Today we're going basically sightseeing. And I had like such a nice outfit for today, but I can't because I'm super cold. But we'll see how the day goes. And actually, if it was up to me, I'd be wearing another jacket. But sorry. Guys, please look at, where's this? Oh, she just put on a jacket, something. But Peyton is not. Like, they are warm, guys. I'm sure it's -6 degrees today. Yo, guys.
How's Namibia? How's
Cold!
experience?
Cold, but it's amazing. It's great. There's a lot of food, and a lot of love, and a lot of happiness.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, I love
It is so beautiful. You can't see. And it's scary. Oh my word. This is beautiful. What does Tiffany say? Cha cha cha.
How much for you?
Yeah, sure.
How much for you?
Hey, how much for me? Me is a student. Me is a student, so not much. I love elephants so much, but I can't be buying elephants when I don't have a house.
So you can put it even in your bedroom.
My mom would tell me that her bedroom does. Oh, my bedroom is small, so it's not gonna fit. Actually, don't even make my mom an excuse. And I love elephants so much. Because I don't have a house yet, so I can't be buying things for the house when I don't have a house. this
Yes, sir.
is that.
It's clean already.
Don't you have a dirty one?
The dirty one.
Why do I call it the dirty one? This is the raw. So it's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
How does it taste?
It's very nice. It's
Can we
sweet.
Is it like
Don't eat
sweet?
it.
How do I eat it?
Just eat the way you eat.
Okay.
Can I share it with you? But how do I open it?
No. This one you have to take a something like a
knife.
what do you call it? A knife. Then you have to.
Please open for me.
Oh no, this is not mine.
Okay, so this one,
Yeah, it's
I can
inside
literally
here.
eat this.
No, you eat only this one.
The
Only
peel.
this one, yes. Get inside, then you can eat.
Is that
Also, this is the seed.
This is it.
Nee, of course, I eat it. It will yellow meat. No, it doesn't look.
Kapana, ladies.
amazing? My first experience.
That's kapana.
Now you must explain to the people what.
Kapana is basically South African. It's like we in South Africa we call it
Chisanya.
chisanya
And
ama.
you guys eat it with pap.
Pap. When they eat it with
And they
friku.
cut up the meat. They don't buy like a top.
Other places do cut it up.
Really? Okay, maybe I
Even
haven't
in Lesotho as
Kan
well.
dit
They
gehad
cut it up.
with
You can take another full one. I'm not having some because for the first time in my life, I am full and I'm listening to myself. That never happens.
Maar my mag is dan vol. Five straight up peel it on the top side.
Belinda!
These are peers and all.
No ears. So slow. That was a lot. I was lost, but yeah, one day I'll be fast with these things. Namibia is cold. Look, guys! I take this jacket everywhere. It's not my jacket. It's not my jacket, but I take it everywhere.
50 degrees out here.
No! Look! How can this be 50
Hello,
degrees?
the wind. So it can blow in during a black.
Yay! No.
Yesterday we had such a sunny
All kind of years weather. Abil, how is the weather?
50 degrees.
Super hot. This is
Yeah,
so
just look at her.
so lekker.
Bro.
Together.
You're probably
The
wondering,
weather is together.
why we're wearing jackets. It's just, ice.
Yeah, as you can see, it really is hot because people are swimming. Dune 7. Apparently it's the highest dune in the world. Yeah, I'm about to climb that. I'm not sure why, but I'm doing it because I'm clearly a liker of things. It looks like it's not deep, but trust me, it is.
One of the tallest dunes in the world. Welcome people to Dune 7.
Guys, whoa! I don't know if you can even hear me. I just literally, I passed lots of sunscreen. Now we're about to leave. Ah. Ooh. I hope this doesn't burn too much. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, cha-cha-cha. Guys, I can't do this anymore. So I have to go there.
Let's go down.
Let's go try going a bit up. But you guys are this is not cute. Oh, can't go down. Near Maniela. Ishana, we're about to do this. Oh, you run down. I've never been Yo, they're running. Guys, no, I'm not gonna run. Yo. Oh, even if you don't want to run, it seems like the dunes were rough, eh?
Yeah. Guys are here. It's challenging their sanity.
Little Fiji kisses, Claire.
New Year's kisses.
Life kisses. Guys, die Bride sah in Namibia. Ich war die Stadtreise fancy. I don't know the Namete.